no, wait. Oops, sorry. It's okay. Good friends share and wait. Mushroom soup. Help! Someone's there! Stay close. I'm here. Who is it? It's just a fox. Hi. Look at me! Wow! So silly! Beep, 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 beep. Right, team. Look at this log. It's perfect. We'll set up here and make the best soup ever. That's a great idea, Rabbit. Yay! We can find mushrooms right here. Look at the mushrooms. Wow. Oops. Eep. Are you two all right? They're safe. Yay! Yay! Hug! Hug! Oh, sticks! Thank you, Fox! Hooray! We can make a fire now. All right, just one more stone. Perfect. Teamwork makes the dream work. Hooray! We did it! We sure did. Wobbly! Watch out! I'm okay. I'm okay. Something moved. Did you hear that? It's shaking. Stay behind me. I'll check. Oh, it's just the berries. Thank goodness. Ta-da! Berries. Perfect. These berries will make the soup delicious. Thank you for helping us, little friend. Very, very good. You almost had it. Just one? Oh, a berry. Everyone can have one. Okay, Cat, you gather leaves. Sure. Duckling, water time. All right. Fox, sticks, squirrel, berries. Good job, Rabbit. We did it. I must be brave. Slippery, slippery. Almost there. Mission accomplished. Wow. It's a boat. Ooh. Look, it spins. Woohoo. Whew, almost lost it. That was close. Not there. The water is too fast. Let me help you get water safely. Oh, thank you. You're right. You're welcome. You're doing great. Just a little more. Done it. Perfect. Almost there. Ouch. Ouch. Hey, let go. Oh, nuts. Come on. Where's Fox? Go check. I've got you, Fox. No worries, I'm all right. There, you're free now. Thank you for helping me. You are most welcome. Look, the water is here. Perfect. Time for the leaves. I brought sticks and berries. Now we cook. Rub, rub, rub faster. Why won't it light? Don't worry, we'll figure it out. Yay! It's working! I knew we could do it. Fire! Fire! Almost done. Yes! Hungry! Let's share it. No, wait. Oops, sorry. It's okay. Good friends share and wait. Mushroom soup. Is the soup ready? Almost. Wait, what was that sound? Friend? Oh! Be careful. I think so. Okay. Careful, Duckling. Don't worry, I've got you. Here you go, dear. Oh, no. Don't worry, I got it. You're okay. This soup is delicious. We made it just for you. So glad you like it. Something's burning. Oh no, it's the pot. Hurry! Thank goodness. Yes! Quick, slide that stone. I'll blow on it. I'll fan it cool. Great teamwork. There should be more. Me? Oh my! Oops, I got a berry. I am so sorry. is looking delicious. Right, it's ready. Ooh, look at the bubbles. Try this, little one. It's special. Mmm, it's so good. Yay! Flavor. Thank you for helping us. Yeah. You're the best, dear. Too strong. We have to shield it. Quickly, with this leaf and more stair. It's safe now. Oh, thank goodness. That was quite an adventure. I'm so glad we're all safe. Careful, rabbits. Scoop it just right. I'll carry it. Watch out, duckling. I got it, Fox. Berries for garnish. Perfect. Look what I did. That was fast. Can I have some more, please? Let me think. Approved. Into the pot. Perfect flavor. So sparkly. Looks delicious. I think it's ready. Did you hear that? What is it, Fox? Be ready. Stop. Who is that? It's an owl. Hello up there.
Mine?
So polite.
Yum. Chirp, chirp.
We ate everything. It's empty. More mushrooms. Let's go get them. Look, over there. Those mushrooms. Are those the ones we need? Oh, I see them. Wow, look at that. I can't move it. Let me try. It's stuck. Okay, ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Lift. We got it. Careful. Yes, teamwork. Help, I'm slipping. Hold on. I've got you. I got it. Watch out. We're safe now. Secret place. Wow. Look. Maybe we shouldn't. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Look at it all. So many sparkles. It's magical. Hello. Blop, blop. Look, it glows. Wow. We found treasure. Look. Soup upgrade. We found it. Be careful, just one. Proud of you. Oh, careful, little one. All right, this spot is perfect. Oh, yes, it's lovely. Let's make the best soup ever. Teamwork makes the dream work. The stove is ready. Wow, it's perfect. Thank you. Hooray for the stove. I've got the golden leaf. Drop it in. The soup is simmering. Ooh. Watch this. Smells so spicy. Here's your soup. Chef, delicious.
Together we share, we learn, and we grow, always.
Yes, that is true, my dear. Hooray! Here, a thank you.
For me?
Oh, how lovely. We appreciate it. Wow, berries. So pretty. Goodbye. See you soon. Bye-bye.